फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम लोग आए हैं ये साइकिल रेस जो है यहाँ पर, तो उसको देखने के लिए। यहाँ पर सब लोग ने अपना ये कैंपिंग के लिए गाड़ी और कैंपर्स लेके आए हुए हैं और यही लोग अब साइकिल रेस में पार्ट लेने वाले हैं। तो यहाँ पे सब अरेंजमेंट्स है, तो यहाँ से शुरू होगी। सब अपना साइकिल रेस के लिए रेडी है। The gravel experience range, Claresholm। तो ये रेस ग्रेवल रोड पे होने वाली है। तो सब लोग रेडी हो गए हैं अपने ये एक्सपीरियंस लेने के लिए।
Star Riders.
ये सब टेंट्स और TransRockies Race Series।
They're playing bikes and having fun. We're going to be winding up a big party here back in the infield for you to participate in when you come back. Awards for this race will be at 5 o'clock. Go top 3 in all the categories. Your moment of glory atop the range podium here today. Break down those final 2 ride instructions here in just a couple of minutes in terms of what to look for out of course. Set those expectations properly. One of those for sure. Bicycles, so built those in for a real treat today. If you have plate number 42, 42, could you raise your hand for us really quick? In our Frontier Range Rider group, plate number 42. Anybody? You? Don't see him just yet.
ये फर्स्ट राउंड है।
I've got just a few notes for you. We will have a neutral lead out this morning in the Silver Davis
7 o'clock का
just
फर्स्ट
ahead of
राउंड
you.
शुरू हो जाएगा।
It's about 1 kilometer that you'll have a very slow controlled pace to get across Provincial Highway 520. From that point, the lead out will speed up a little bit. Also, when you're finishing, it's a neutral finish, about 1.5 kilometers before you get back to this finish line. And just so you know, when you finish, you're coming through a neighborhood, you're crossing the road at the end of the campground, and you're going to be following the gravel alleyway that goes around the perimeter of the campground and park, and then you'll be finishing the same direction that you're starting. Also very important, there's a bridge. For those of you that have ridden the range before, there was a creek crossing. The Alberta government has mandated that we put in a bridge and it is mandatory to ride that bridge. It's nice and wide, easy to ride. It's at about the 40-kilometer mark, and then you'll ride it again on your way back. For the frontier distance, we have a hard cutoff at aid station 2 at 10:30. So you need to be at that aid station, which is at the 64-kilometer mark, by 10:30 to start the frontier loop. From that point, you've got 99 kilometers, so you get back to that point, and there's one aid station on that long frontier loop. You have a total of 5 aid stations today on the overall course, and time limit to finish the frontier is 12 hours, so that's 7 p.m. But the cutoff should make sure that everyone's back before then. Okay, have a great ride, everyone. It's a beautiful day. We'll see you out there.
I know we're not going to have to worry about that cutoff at all. Let's see, the riders right here is ready for that. They are fully primed and trained and looking good too to be able to tackle this kind of distance. And we're just inside 3 minutes to start now, riders. Thanks so much for coming. Roll on up to the line. Again, neutral start. You'll be following the truck out of the venue. When you see the truck pull away, you are free to race. Be nice, be safe, have fun. Keep the helmet side up all day today. And I love these longer distances. More and more events are having these massive longer distances like that, and the crowds are following. So we appreciate the effort that goes into the scenery out there, and we know you're going to have an absolutely great time.
Yep.
That can only mean one thing, and that is we are inside 2 minutes to start. Got a great group of family, friends, and fans here. Got up early, cheer their favorite rider on, and send them off on their 211-kilometer adventure. Featuring right up against 3,000 meters of climbing. It's one of the most beautiful terrains you're ever gonna put wheels on. That's a good point too. Take some time to look around, folks. Take a few pictures. It is absolutely stunning out there today. We know we're gonna have a fantastic time. We can't wait to hear all about it once you return. One minute to start, riders. 1 minute. One way to wake up a campground, a little AC/DC at 7 a.m. in the morning. Come on. "30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds to start." Well, the friends and fans, you can help me count them down. We get inside at 10. If we are up against that right now, riders, have a great time out there. You on course in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Off you go. Be safe. Have fun. Can't wait to hear all about it when you return. Go get a mic. Saw Mike up last week in Fernie. Down here in the Flatlands today. Man, what a great crowd. Have fun out there, folks.
ये सब साइकिलिस्ट यहाँ पर इस तरह से अपना कार और कैंपर लेकर आए हुए हैं और यहाँ पर सेंटेनियल ग्राउंड में रुके हुए हैं। इनका कैंपिंग भी हो जाता है और इट्स अ फन राइड, मतलब एंजॉय भी करना। तो ये सब साइकिलिस्ट जाएंगे ग्रेवल रोड पे 100 किलोमीटर या कुछ। ये इवेंट जो है वो मेरे घर के पास ही ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ था। तो 7 o'clock का ये फर्स्ट राउंड था। फर्स्ट राउंड में ये लोग निकल चुके हैं और 8 और 9 o'clock का सेकेंड राउंड है।